Welcome to Excellence in Excel. I'm Nick Wong, and in this video we will focus on a situation where we have multiple emails. However, we're not sure yet if we have any duplicates, and if we do, how can we filter them out without too much effort? So let me show you right now what the situation is. We have here a list of up to 70 emails. However, as you can see here, there might be some duplicates. And the question now is very simple. How can we get them out fast? So step one. So there's just basically two things you have to do. Step one is we're going to first sort them just so we can see if they're really unique. So I'm going to select all of them. So just to do it fast, we just click these. So we select all of those and then we say sort and filter sort A. So we do that, A to Z. And you can see right away, these are all duplicates. And we have 4 times here 20 at somersettravelagency.com. Of course, that's not what we want. And you can see there's too many things here that are being duplicated. So how do we clear this up? Well, very easy. Excel has a very useful tool. If you go to the Data tab, they have an option here. So what we do is we'll select this entire list of all the values that we want to filter out. Secondly, once we did that, you can see here an option says remove duplicate. Let's click on this and see what happens. So it suggests right away, what do we want? Well, in this case, we just want select column A. So it's already selected. And you can see it already analyzes it. It found 37 duplicate values and 41 unique values. So let's remove the duplicates. And now you can see instantly, just with a click of a button, it cleans out all the emails and you can see everything now is unique. And that is exactly what we want. So this is a very useful tool if you want to figure out how to clear up values and duplicate values without manually deleting them or going through them one by one. If you like this video, check out the link below. In there you can find a wonderful Excel course. And if you have any questions, just send me a message or a comment below and I will make sure I will follow up to your question.